So today I'm gonna try to install this oil crossover rail. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know the proper name for it. From Riffraff Diesel from my 2001 7.3. There's a part number right there. It's called stainless steel HPX. Basically what it is allows oil to flow, more oil to flow from one head to the other. I don't know the proper name for the part, but there it is. We'll see how that goes. I tried doing this before. I did it before once and it kept leaking oil, so I had to remove it. And we're gonna try this one. This one's a different one, newer one. So maybe I got a defective one the first time. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's get to it. I'm gonna start by removing the intake tube and the air filter. Just gonna make some room to work around easily. This is a 8mm. You can also use just a screwdriver, flathead, for like loosening up the clamps. There's one of the bolts that needs to be removed. That's where the that crossover rail is going to attach to. The other one is on the other side. So for the other side, I'm just gonna loosen this clamp and remove this boot out of the way, and that should give me enough room to get to the other bolt, which is hiding back there. This one's at 11mm. There's quite a bit of oil in there. See if you can see the other nut. A little too dark. Okay, so there's the other bolt that needs to be removed right here. That one right there. So I'm gonna clean up around this bolt area here, some of the dust and debris. Make sure it doesn't fall into the engine when I remove that bolt. Keep in mind that once you remove those bolts, you will have a little bit of oil oozing out of the hole. So I have a shop towel there ready to kind of clean up the mess. It's not gonna be a whole lot, but there'll be some. And this is a 16mm bolt, so I already broke it loose. Pretty much remove it by hand now. So you can kind of see the oil right there. It's not really oozing out yet, but just in case, I have a paper towel there. You can see there's not much room for my torque wrench here. Right there. Okay, those are torqued down. Then once you install the rail, you're supposed to hold this with the wrench while you tighten up the rail to it, so this doesn't come loose. And when you're installing this, make sure this bent right here goes to the side where the turbo is, because that right there is so they can go around the turbo easily. If you put it the other way, it's not gonna fit. Okay, so I'm gonna try to so that's pretty much what it looks like right there. Okay, that's the bend that I was talking about, so it goes around the turbo. To remove the spider here, just the intake tube, the clamps here, and the boot, and that allows you and gives you plenty of room. So I'm gonna put everything back together real quick. I don't need to show that on video. It should be pretty simple, and I'll report back and see if I notice any leaks. Okay, so I got it all back together. Now I'm gonna start it up, let it run for a little bit, and see if I notice any leaks. Anyway, so she's done. It's pretty simple to do. She's a little quieter now. The only thing that I was worried about is gonna have a little leaks, but I don't see any leaks, any oil leaks coming out of the fittings like it did last time. So I'm gonna call it a success. Like I said, 20-30 minutes at the most. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.